Hey dear folks, I'm Sia. Today I will show you how to use K518 Pro and ADP14 adapter to program the smart key for 2023 BMW 5 Series. Now let's do it.
Now we need to prepare the ADP40 adapter. BDC3 adapter board. Remove the key chip. Place the removed key chip on the adapter board. Clamping. Then connect the adapter. Connect the adapter to the K518 Pro. Select Generate Smart Key. BMW. Select G Chassis. Select the menu for BDC3. Put the new key on the card slot. Click Generate. OK. Generated successfully. No need to continue generating. Select Cancel. Return to main menu. Then we choose IMO and Remote. BMW. Select from type. BDC03. Select the BDC03 key copy encryption menu. Please make sure the Wi-Fi is connected, OK. Select to use the original car key to read, OK. The ADP40 adapter is connected, OK. Enter the name of the file to be saved, OK. Please make sure that the VIN number is correct and click OK. Choose to use Lonsdor's key to copy and confirm. Place the smart key flat on the card slot. Click OK to continue. Generate the dealer key and lock the key successfully. OK. We get back in the car. Test if the key can start the vehicle normally. Original car key. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. Original car key started successful. New key. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The new key started successfully. Let's try the remote again. Original car key. Unlock. Lock. New key. Unlock. Lock. Remote control is normal.
Two smart keys can be used normally. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate. More surprise ahead.